Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Blaine, Mod Addict. I know I haven't brought videos to you in a while. I've been really busy with work and life, really. It's Christmas time. I'm a technician, so I have to spend a lot more time at work because it's slowed down, so I gotta make my paycheck, you know. Gotta live my life. What I'm gonna bring to you today is just recently, I finished building, well not finished, but got my computer put together and up and running in that custom Corsair 540 Air that I painted white and teal. I got it on my desk and everything and didn't really like how big and bulky it was. It looks cool, looks good. I don't really like how big it is. It gets in the way. So I went out and I bought me a new case today. It is a, what is it? It's right here. Oh, it is a NZXT S340 white case. I am going with white and red this time instead of white and teal. So I'm going to have white case, and then my motherboard is red, and then I'm going to have red fluid whenever I do my custom water cooling loop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to video me pulling the old motherboard out of the Corsair case, and I'll show you what I've done and what I've put together and all that, and then I'll show you me putting it in the new case and getting it put up and turned on and getting everything running. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is Blaine, Mod Addict. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright guys, let's see here. This is the case, the 540 Air. Got it on its side right now so I can get it pulled apart. Here's my motherboard. It is a Maximus Hero 7 motherboard. I've got a Intel i7 4590K processor in it, and I have 16 gigs, don't know if you can see it, of Corsair Vengeance RAM. I'm using the stock CPU cooler for now because I'm going to be upgrading to custom water loop and all that. I have for my hard drives, let's see here, I have a Kingston HyperX 120 gig SSD for my boot drive, and then I have a normal 1 terabyte standard hard drive for everything else. So here's the case. It doesn't look too bad. White. All of the interior here used to be black, as you remember in the first video. I painted it all white so the interior would be white, which I think I might paint the new case interior white too. I'm not sure yet. And then I did all the teal accents on it to kind of make it pop a little bit more. But I don't like how big this case is, so we're changing that. So let's get to taking this apart. I'm going to put it back on the tripod and yeah, go from there. Alright guys, got my trusty screwdriver. Let's get to it. I'm just going to start by pulling the motherboard out as a whole. I'm going to unplug all the connectors and just pull it out as a chunk. So let's get all the connectors pulled off.
There you go again, sipping at your home all alone. I told your ass in times like this, you gotta go and hit my phone.
But you act like your fingers don't work, or maybe my ringer don't work, or maybe my service is out, or maybe you too nervous to shout out all the words in your mouth. Girl, I know it's a cold world and you want sure to let out what you hide inside, what you hide inside. I told you that I need a ride or die. If you ain't gon' ride, then die. Fuck out my face, I really gotta say shit. I love it when you moving it. The haters keep it moving, they get played like an acoustic riff. Yeah, I ain't playing, no, I ain't playing. Just keep on moving and doing what I am saying. Simon says, put your legs behind your head. I know we both been through pain, but we gon' sip this kind instead. Champagne kisses, got us acting all different. Oh my God, oh my God, you make me say, oh my God. I'm sorry we on. I'm on my way to a party we thought brought Bacardi Patron. And you know that I'm hardly home. Retarded, I'm gone. If your boy talk shit, it's partly my fault. Got my army involved. You know I fuck up my lungs from the cigarette. Sip on this liquor until my whole liver dead. You know I do that shit, I can't get rid of it. But when I'm with you, it's always so different. I do not need it, it's like I don't need it. And when you work on, I'm feeling defeated. I am just picking up pieces, I hope that you know that I mean it. My other girlfriends, man, all of them cheated. Caught all of them cheating, I mean I'm not perfect, but all of them scheming. You mumbled I love you, I said what'd you say? You wouldn't repeat it, please tell me I need it. Don't keep it a secret, maybe you'll speak it after we take champagne kisses. Got us acting all different. Oh my God, oh my God. You make me say oh my God when we take them champagne kisses. Yeah, you know what's up. Fuck this party, let's go home and fuck. Yeah, we can pull it up. Fuck this party, let's go home and fuck.
Alright guys, as you can see, I got the Corsair case emptied out, and I'm ready to go over to the NZXT, NZXT case. So, as you can see, the NZXT case is much smaller. It's about the same height, but as in width, it is about half the size of the Corsair case, which is the main reason I'm going with it. Corsair case is just way too big and bulky for the desk and the area that I have my computer at. And as you can see, the NZXT case is super clean. I love the way this case is laid out. It's actually got a decent amount of space on the inside for whenever I do my custom water loop. And everything has 2 hard drives for your SSDs right there. And then the NZXT cable management right there. You can stick all your cables through there to go towards the back. Your air inlet up here with your, don't know if you can see, there you go, but your dust filter there. That's magnetic that you can pull in and out. All your USB, headphone jacks, power button, all that up top. Your 120mm fan. And just a super clean front face. Nothing on it, but down towards the bottom you have NZXT stamped into it. Huge fan of this case, I love it. Very clean and user friendly. So, now that I've showed it, let's build. I'm going to go back inside and set up the camera and the tripod and get going. So, let's get building.
Kiss your bare feet, headlights glowing through the dust. We're surrounded, but it's just us, just us, just us, just us, just us.
Alright guys, there you go. There is my build of my NZXT S340 case. Cable management could be better. Not super happy with it, but I think all in all it turned out pretty good. I got it all plugged up, ready to go. Super clean, takes up a lot less space than the other case did. The other case probably, well, no, it did. It came out to about here. So, as you can see, it takes up a lot more space. So, this is awesome. Like it. Figured I would wait to do the first boot with everyone here. So, let's see. There it goes. It's up and running. See how long it takes to load Windows. And there it is. Up and ready to go. Everything's on. My two fans up front. Everything seems to be working good. My Wi-Fi card is working. I'll be getting graphics cards for it next, so I can play some games. So yeah, there you goes, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Blaine, Mod Addict. Have an awesome week. It's Sunday here. I'll probably post it Monday or Tuesday. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Blaine. Out.